10:344. Etadvam darshitam rupam pragjanma smaranaya me na anyata madbhavam kyaram bhartyalingena jayate. I have shown in this form of Vishnu just to remind you of my previous verse. Otherwise, if I appeared like an ordinary human child, you would not believe the Supreme Personality Godhead Vishnu has indeed appeared. So Prabhupada has given various considerations here. On one hand, we see that Krishna wants to assure the devotees, don't worry, because they have gone through a huge torture. In front of them, the 6 children have been killed one after another. Just think about it. Not only the event, when child is growing in the womb, they were going with the same anticipation, will that horror happen again, correct? And it happens. And how many days of unimaginable pain for a mother and father when this happens. And they went through this 6 times. Immense pain for years. Krishna has seen them go through that. And now true, at the same time, sometimes Krishna makes a devotee go through that. There is a lesson in that. So that we can see, look at the devotees. The great devotees, their devotion is so advanced, they can bear any amount of pain and still think about Krishna. So that enhances the devotion. Krishna doesn't do anything inauspicious for a devotee. Everything that happens is His mercy. For everybody it is good. And then this is one part. And the second part is that so Krishna is thinking of protection of His devotees. He's thinking, oh, if I appear as Vishnu, there is some kind of assurance for them. On the other hand, she is thinking reverse Devaki. If he looks like Vishnu, roams like Vishnu, people will not be able to understand. They will not accept his glories. They may make fun. Maybe a deformed child. People may say something. It's not easy to accept the glories of the Lord. And Krishna, even if he appears as Vishnu, it's not the people are going to accept. Krishna showed Vishwarupa to Duryodhana also. He didn't accept. He said he's a magician. Or there comes some attack. Vishnu has come. And because having parental affection, they had some fear. They had some desire for protection. So you see the sweet reciprocal relationship. Vishnu is thinking, if I come as Krishna is thinking of Vishnu, that reassurance for them. I have come, the Supreme Lord has come. Otherwise they may not understand if I come like a child. And the devotee thinking, let him hide his form so that come to a small child form so that we will cheat Kamsa this time and hide him somewhere. That is what the plan of Vasudeva Devaki is going on. Let us hide him somewhere. So come to a human child. So they want him to take a human form for his protection. And Krishna wants to do Vishnu form to reassure them there is no need to worry.